Good morning, guys. Me and Jacob are about to head out to Lake X. We've been fishing another lake. And we got some intel that there's a better lake out in East Texas, and we're not far from it. We're actually only 11 miles from it, so we're pumped. Luckily, they told us where to put in, and they said it was a good spot, so we're gonna check out Lake X. Appreciate you, you know who you are, and hopefully get on some fish. So hang with us. This is day 3 of our fishing excursion.
Got a windy day today.
Yeah, there's a wind advisory. Jacob has it pulled up on his phone. He's like, man, hopefully we're safe today. There's I think 15 to 22 mile per hour winds, but the guy that told us about this lake said there should be some hidden coves that we can hide in to kind of keep us safe back there. So hang with us. We'll get on the road and check this out, guys.
15 to 20 with gusts up to 30. Boaters on area lake should use extra caution since strong winds and rough waves can overturn small craft.
Well, good thing that I'm in a Jackson now. The old Bonafide. Well, we'll see about that thing, but all right, boys.
Be leaning to the left with all those fish in my kayak.
Hang with us and hopefully we get on some toads. Come on, let's get it. Lake X, baby, let's get it. All right, guys, we just got out here to Lake X. It was early morning. I'm gonna start off with chatterbait. Let's see if we can get bit. Oh, God. Jeez, boys. Right at the boat. God dang. Let's go, baby. Heck yeah. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about, guys. Woo! That's how you start the morning. Let's go.
I was trying to figure out, it looks like the wind's coming this way, huh? Whoa, got one. Dude hit it at the boat. Little 2.
So as you can see, we got ideal conditions. Me and Jacob are definitely headed to the truck. Listen to that buzz bait behind me. That thing is rocking. Check it out. This wind is coming in hot. White capping. So we're gonna try to hit up another lake, maybe something that's a little more covered.
I don't know. We're not from here. We're out in East Texas. This isn't ideal, so we're gonna get out of here. We'll see you at the truck. Might take a while. Hang with us. All right, boys, so we're back out here, as you can see. Still windy. This lake, I'd say it isn't any better, but we are 6 hours from home and we figure, what the heck, let's give it a shot. So hang with us. We'll see if we can stay safe and get some fish. Let's do it. You can see, guys, this ain't pretty. We're just drifting. Big one back there. Woo, boys. Hopefully this is worth it. Fighting this wind is tough. Oh yeah, boys, on the jig. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Not a bad one, boys. Look at that. On the trusty old jigster. Come on.
Fish on the jig.
All right, guys, total freaking bummer. My Hero 9 started glitching on me, so I wasn't able to get a cast to catch on this beauty. But look at this toad, man. We're gonna get a weight on him, but I guarantee it, he goes every bit of five something. Look at this thing. Freaking stud, boys. Smashed it on the frog. We're gonna get a weight on him, see what she goes. My skull is in kilograms. Finally got it in pounds, so we're gonna get a weight on this old girl. See where she goes. Got that baby zeroed out. Holding 5'1", boys. What a freaking stud. Come on. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Yes, sir. Thank you, old girl. She was ready to get out of here.
No, dude, this wasn't a dink.
Those little ones hit hard.
No, this thing freaking crushed it, bro.
They're all punched.
Oh, I just got him.
It better be a fella, dude. They're all alive.
It's a good fish, dude. It's gotta go 5.
3 pounds.
No, it's 5, bro, all day. Shoot, that's a big fish, bro. No, stay here, stay here. No, no, no. Yeah. Oh, it's 5 all day, baby.
Let me see, wait.
Yes, dude. Got it on film too.
Oh, sweet.
Let me get a weight real quick. 4.9.
Oh gosh. Let's go, boys. Whew. Right at the freaking boat. Man, these fish are healthy. Nice one, boy. You scared the heck out of me. Oh yeah. Get in the boat, boy. Up, up, up. Get in the boat. Yes, sir. Shee. Jacob said I'd be crazy to leave. Man, I just hate fishing in the dark, but guys, these fish are on I'm about an hour and a half from the truck. We may be fishing till dark. It's gonna be a long paddle back. Boys, I am really freaking blowing it. Oh man, I just stuck a toad and I was on the phone, so my camera obviously wasn't on. Look at that chunk. Let's freaking go. This is probably gonna go 6 or so. Oh my God. Yes, sir. That fish is dense, baby. She's holding at 6'7". Let's go. We can get a measurement one more time, zeroed out. Yeah, holding at 6'7", boys. Let's freaking go. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about. Let me get a length on her. 22 1/4. Guys, this is it. We're gonna end on this note. I'm gonna let this beautiful girl go. Woo! God dang, boy.
Just caught the biggest fish in my life right now. He's gonna get a weight on this thing.
All right, guys, so Jacob and I officially made it home. It was a 6.5 hour drive. We got up at 4:30 this morning, made the long haul. The trip was so worth it. I lost my custom rod and reel.
I thought you were showing them your thumb.
Definitely got bass stoned, but lost that rod and reel, a pretty expensive setup. And then I broke my favorite jig rod, but still, guys, I can't go on to explain this trip. We started off yesterday morning with 22-mile-an-hour winds, 15 to 22 miles an hour, and I almost called it quits. Jacob, crazy. He was like, Eric, he's like, let's do it, let's go. We're only out here once or twice a year, let's do it. So he talked me into it. Thank God I stayed, because at 3 o'clock, winds died down, and we
got on them.
We got on them, guys. I ended up with a 5'1" yesterday and a 6'7", and my man right here took big bass.
Got the 7.4.
Hope y'all enjoyed it. So appreciate the love. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later.